You are going to love the 2016 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, remote engine start, power liftgate, traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.